How to make an Instagram post with music. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create an Instagram post with music. So let's get started. On Instagram nowadays, we actually check that a lot of music posts are being uploaded, like there is a photo and there's a music behind, transitions, everything. So that post is actually known as reel, and we can also create such posts on Instagram really easily. For that, you have to create a new post. So you will click on the plus button in the middle at the bottom. Click on plus and then you will be able to see your gallery. Then you can see we have post here, story, reel. So you have to click on reel and it will open up the camera for you. Here you can create a new video or take a photo with the camera, or you can upload from your gallery as well. So we have like this small video now. I will add the music. Click on this music icon and you can select from thousands of sounds available on Instagram, or you can search for a song if you want. So I'm going to search for a song here, and now I have a song added. Click on done and that song will be added to your Instagram post and you will have a music post on Instagram. You can also add different filters, adjust the time, or add different effects. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.